Revise and shine, enhancing your writing through feedback. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a critical aspect of the writing process, specifically revising your draft using feedback. This is an essential part of the journey of transforming your initial draft into a polished, well-structured, and impactful piece of writing. First and foremost, let's talk about why feedback is crucial in writing. When you're revising your draft, having another pair of eyes can often help identify areas that may need improvement. This is where feedback comes in. It provides a fresh perspective and can help uncover any blind spots you may have missed. Feedback isn't just about finding mistakes or errors. It's also about enhancing your writing by looking at the overall flow, structure, and content. Remember, a good piece of writing is not merely free from errors but is also clear, engaging, and impactful. There are different types of feedback that you might receive. Constructive feedback focuses on specific areas where improvement is needed and provides suggestions on how to enhance your work. On the other hand, positive feedback points out the aspects of your work that are particularly effective. Both types of feedback are valuable. Constructive feedback helps you understand what to work on, while positive feedback shows what to continue doing in your writing. Now that we've understood the types of feedback, let's focus on how to use this feedback to revise your draft effectively. 1. Read the feedback carefully. Take the time to understand what the feedback is suggesting. Don't rush this process. Give it the time it deserves. 2. Identify the areas for improvement. Once you've understood the feedback, identify the areas that need improvement. Make a list if it helps. 3. Implement changes one at a time. Rather than trying to fix everything at once, go through each point individually. This ensures that each issue gets the attention it requires. 4. Ask for clarification. If you're unsure about any feedback, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. Feedback is meant to assist you, so ensure you understand it fully. 5. Review after making changes. After implementing the feedback, read through your work again. See if the changes have improved your work and if there's anything more you can do. That brings us to the end of our discussion on using feedback to revise your drafts. Remember, feedback is a tool for growth and improvement. It's not about criticism but about helping you become a better writer. So, embrace feedback and use it to polish your writing skills. I hope you found this video helpful and insightful. Keep writing, keep revising, and let your words shine.